بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون.
الحمد لله رب العالمين تبارك اسم ربك ذا الجلال والإكرام فسبح باسم ربك العظيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والكتيم لما سبق نصر الحق بالحق والذي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم. Assalamu alaikum. We are now beginning the month of Ramadan, and I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one and the Muslim community a blessed Ramadan. I am Ahmad Lovell, the Amir of the Islamic Resource Society, and it is indeed a pleasure and a privilege to invite you once again to our annual Ramadan lecture series. Despite our continued struggle over the past year with the pandemic, we are still able, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to present yet another series or another lecture series. The COVID pandemic and the health restrictions has imposed and forced us to become a little more innovative in terms of how we deliver our series. It is hoped that this forum will enable us to expand our listening audience, not just the members of our community, but widen the scope to the members of the general public. Our Ramadan lecture series has been a main item on the organization's calendar events. 2 lectures will be given every week, one on a Wednesday and one on Saturdays. And the aim of the lecture is to inform, remind, and encourage the listening audience. I would like to extend my appreciation to our Wazir of Dawah, Brother M.T. Wazi, as well as those who have volunteered their time to present lectures for this, our 2021 program. I hope that we all enjoy this lecture series in the upcoming month. And I wish to once again thank you all for your support and being part of our program this year. May the Almighty Allah continue to encourage you. May He continue to strengthen us as an ummah, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan. In all the day no food, finyam for the fasting, siyam. Fast with the eye and we fast with the tongue. Ramadan is embraced by the old and the young. For generation, this are the prescription. Ramadan with the fasting, the Muslim participate, and the sunnah is for broke the fast with the date. And brothers them all go share one plate, cause you get the blessing when you congregate. Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan. Ramadan, the Muslims stand strong. Middle of the night, them all go past straight long. This is the month for increase the iman. Tell you something, me just love the Ramadan. Ramadan, the devil, the rebel, him in a jail. And for the whole of the month, him all go get no bail. And if you do the bad deeds in a Ramadan, you know you all go fail. Celebrate, read the Quran and do good deeds enough. Qiyam al-layl. Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan, Ramadan, love the Ramadan. Hey, I say we 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 love the Ramadan.